Step 1. Lower handles. Lower the handle height to the lowest. Step 2. Fold seat. Fold the seat cushion. Step 3. Fold handles. Press the button. Fold the handles. Step 4. Fold frame. Lift unlock lever up. Meanwhile, fold seat sides inward. Step 5. Fold downward. Hold handle. Press frame sides inward. Ensure Z35 is fully folded inward. Then fold it downward. Step 6. Lay flat. Lay the Z35 flat on the ground. For the final fold, choose to remove the wheels or keep them on. Method 1. Wheels off. Method 2. Wheels on. Step 7. Fold front legs. Caution, risk of pinching. Won't fold if misaligned. Ensure frame CD parallels handle frame. Then fold legs AB. Step 8. Tighten. Pull out the fastening strap and tighten it to secure the unit. Step 9. Store in backpack. Z35 PackGo Rollator. PackGo. Find joy in every step.